Hey guys, welcome back to My Life as Lila. I'm speaking very fast because we just found a bird under our hot tub, but it was a baby. Let me show you. He is so cute. I named it Patricia, and his mom is somewhere over there in that tree. We're trying to leave it here for the mama to pick it up, and it's just so sad. Like, yeah.
One of his legs is longer than the other.
Yeah, one of his legs is longer than the other.
Wait.
Yeah.
Stars for capitals.
Hey guys, so the mama bird is gone, and it didn't take the baby. Look. It's so sad. Look at its face. The bird. Right. Yeah, I'm right here. So itty bitty. The mama bird.
Huh?
The mama bird is right there.
Oh, you got to put the bird down. Let it fly.
I know.
Drop it.
I think. No, he knows how to fly.
He's right there.
He knows how to fly.
Yeah, you leave him alone.
Okay.
Look, the mama bird's circling around. Come here. Put him right here.
I think he went back behind the hot tub.
Oh, no, no.
That's where I found him.
He won't ever get out of there.
I'll just leave him right there. Okay, guys, I think this is apparently the end of our video. See you tomorrow. Bye.